Hey, it's Derek.
Hi, it's Robin.
How are you guys doing? We're getting ready to work on our lab next class called M&Isotopes.
Oh, that sounds fun. It looks like Eminem the rapper is on the picture. Is he going to be in class?
He's not, but the candy's sure going to be there.
Ooh, I love chocolate.
Me too. But before we do this lab, we just have a few questions for you guys to answer and write down, and we're going to talk about it next class. All right, first question. What is the atomic number of an element?
Well, it looks like you took a carbon from the periodic table for the picture, and I see different numbers. Could those have something to do with it?
You know what, Robin? It does. And how can you guys figure out the atomic number of an element? By looking at a sample of it on the periodic table. Alright, we just asked about the atomic number of an element. Now we're asking about the atomic mass of an element. And how do you think you would calculate it?
Ooh, I think we went over this in the last class.
This is also a review, Robin. And if you guys know what the atomic number is, then I'll bet you can figure out the atomic mass.
Oh, I think I could, especially using that element of helium right there.
You bet. Alrighty, the following question we have is, carbon generally has an atomic mass of 12 AMU, but some samples of carbon exist in nature that have a mass of 14 AMU. What could be causing this difference?
Oh, that's tricky. I see that you have a carbon molecule on the screen. And are those electrons?
Those are electrons that are going around the carbon. Now, we need to remember that the electrons, while they do contribute to the charge of an atom, they don't contribute to the mass much because they're very, very small.
Oh, so it must be something else making two different masses.
That's right. We'll have to remember that. All right, and the last question we have for you is, now we saw that the carbon had two different masses. What do you think different variations of the same element are called that have different atomic masses?
Ooh, that's tricky. Well, maybe I can find it in the previous slides or research it?
I bet you probably could. We may have given you a hint earlier, and if not, it doesn't hurt to do a little research to find that.
Okay, well, I'll get these questions in, and I can't wait for the lab tomorrow.
All right, I'll see you guys there.
Let's have fun eating chocolate.
Yeah.